So you might be seeing that for some reason your iMessage is just getting signed out. Now, what does this mean? Well, it might mean that as you're going through and you're texting somebody or whatever the case is, you might be getting a panel either on your iPhone or Mac or whatever it is, telling you that iMessage has been signed out. Now, the easiest way to go ahead and fix this for the most part is to go ahead and make sure and verify that you didn't actually sign out of your iMessage account. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application of your iPhone, iPad, even if you have an iPod, or even your Mac, whatever it is, make your way over to settings, and you want to find your specific message settings. So scroll down until you see messages right here. You want to click here, and all you're going to want to do right here where it says iMessage, you want to make sure you didn't randomly toggle off iMessage right here. Now, if for some reason this is toggled off, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and toggle it on. Now, let's say you do this and it is not toggled off. Well, what you're going to want to do there is you want to go ahead and just toggle this off and then toggle it back on. And that's another easy way to go and kind of fix and address this issue as well. So just go ahead, click on that little green icon, turn off iMessage, go ahead and click it again to turn it back on. And that's another option that you have right here that I would probably recommend you to do. Now, if for some reason that doesn't end up working, another thing you can try doing for the most part is trying to see if for some reason your date and your time settings are messed up on your phone. So click on General right here, click on Date and Time, which is right here, and see if this is messed up for some reason. You can turn off or toggle this differently, but that's another option that you have as well that I'd probably recommend you to look into too. Now, on top of that, if that's still not working, always check your Wi-Fi connection, your internet connection settings. But also another thing is within your general panel. So what you want to do here is click into general right there, and you're going to want to click on software update. We want to go ahead and check if there's a software update available for our device. If there is, you want to make sure that you go ahead and install that version of software, or that new update on your device, because if you don't, that can cause some issues. So just go ahead, update your phone right here, and that might end up fixing the problem too. If that's still not working, you may want to restart your phone. You may want to see if it's a glitch that's going on. You can check iMessage server outages like on downdetector.com or something. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.